सब्सक्राइब करें अपने चैनल इग्नू लर्निंग सेंटर को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं लेटेस्ट इग्नू रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन और स्टडी मटेरियल सबसे पहले पाने के लिए। Hello friends, welcome to your channel Ignou Learning Center. In this video, we will discuss the question asked in December 2019 examination of BSHF 101 Foundation Course in Humanities and Social Science. तो दोस्तों हमने पिछली वीडियोस में 1 से लेकर 50 तक क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देख चुके थे। तो इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे 51 से लेकर के 51 से लेकर के 100 तक के क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स को। फ्रेंड्स, मैंने पूरी कोशिश की है कि आपको सही आंसर प्रोवाइड कराऊं, पर अगर आपको लगता है कि किसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर रॉन्ग है तो आप हमें कमेंट पे बता सकते हैं। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। नेक्स्ट 51 नंबर क्वेश्चन इज, इट कैन बी सेड दैट द स्टेट एंड गवर्नमेंट, ऑप्शन आर permanent, are both temporary, state is relative permanent and government is temporary. Answer is third number, state is relative permanent and government is temporary. Next question, the practice of public administration, so answer will be is still dominant by government. इसके दो ऑप्शन पे मुझे डाउट है दोस्तों, तो आप बताइए दोनों में से कौन सा सही होगा। ऑप्शन इज फर्स्ट नंबर, इज स्टिल डोमिनेंट बाय गवर्नमेंट, एंड फोर्थ नंबर इज गिविंग वे टू नेटवर्किंग बिटवीन गवर्नमेंट, मार्केट एंड कलेक्टिव ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल कॉमनली रेफर्ड एज सिविल सोसाइटी। इन दो में से कोई एक ऑप्शन हो सकता है, तो आप हमें कमेंट पे बताइए कि कौन सा सही है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 53 नंबर इज, गवर्नेंस इज द प्रोसेस थ्रू विच, तो आंसर विल बी the policies of state that affect the public are implemented. Answer is first number. Next question, rule of law. Rule of law, answer is fourth number, does not protect the interest and right to the citizen. Does not protect the interest and right of the citizen. Next question, the concept of citizens charters originated in, the answer will be Britain. The concept of citizen chartered originated in Britain. Next question, the most comprehensive set of recommendations regarding administration and administrative efficiency were made by, so answer will be 56 number, answer is first number. The Administrative Reforms Commission set up in January 1966. Next question, Herbert Simon points out the commission process in a organization is one in which, the answer will be third number, the decisional premises are transmitted from one member of an organization to another. Answer will be third number. Next 58 number question, fundamental duties were added to Indian Constitution by the, fundamental duties is added by the 42 Constitution Amendment Act of 1976. Answer is one number. Next question, in the Kesav Nanda Bharti case, the Supreme Court ruled that, in Kesav Nanda Bharti case, Supreme Court ruled that, answer will be second number, the basic structure of constitution could not be changed. The basic structure of constitution could not be changed. Next question 60 number, the National Commission established on January 27 2003 with the then Chief Justice Venkatacharya as the chairman was constituted to, answer will be first number, review the working of constitution. Answer is first number. Next question, the Panchayati Raj Act 1957, the Panchayati Raj Act 1957 established a three-tier structure of rural political participation and decision making of village, block and district level. Answer is second number. Next question 62 number, economic development should conceptually, answer is include growth in production of an economy, literacy, health, child mortality rate, equality, regional balance, infrastructure, etc. Next question. Indian economy is a mixed economy because, answer is first number, because public sector and private sector coexist and constitute to the production process. Next question, 64 number. When an economy moves to a third stage, the demographic transition. Answer is fourth number. Both birth rate and death rate are low. Answer is fourth number. Next question. By the term disguised unemployment in Indian agriculture, we mean a situation where a person is engaged fully in agriculture but his contribution is zero. It implies that if we take away the worker, agricultural output will not decline. Next question. If you're liking this video, please like the video and share it to your friends. आपका एक लाइक हमें मोटिवेट करता है और भी वीडियो आपके तक पहुंचाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 66 नंबर. The seventh schedule of Indian Constitution specifies. Answer is third number. The manner in which taxes are to be imposed by the central and state level governments. Next question. Big push theory of economic development is attributed to big push theory is attributed to Harvey Goldsmith. Next question. India had two 6-5-year plans practically from. So 2 6-5-year plans are 1978 to 83 and 1980 to 85. Answer is second number. Next question, 69th number. The crucial year in which India introduced economic reforms was in. Answer is 1991. Fourth number. Next question, 70 number. The second 5-year plan emphasized large scale industrialization. Answer is first number. Next question. After third 5-year plan, the plan holiday was observed from. Answer is third number, 1966 to 69. Next question. After independence, the India resolution of industrial policy in April 1948 stressed the importance of. Answer is third number, planning for economy, and expressed the desire to set up a national planning commission. Next question. The architect of second 5-year plan was. The architect of second 5-year plan was. The answer is P.C. Mahalanobis. Next question. The strategy of important substitution for industrialization was adopted during the. Answer is second 5-year plan. Second number. Next question. Removal of industrial license was an important feature of. Answer is third number, economic reforms adopted after 1991. Friends, if you have not watched FST 01 or BSHF 01 MCQ series, kindly go to the channel playlist or above the I button to watch the videos. Next question. 76. Disinvestment during the current economic reforms means shares the public sector undertaking being sold in the market with the object of obtaining revenue to reduce budget deficit. Answer is fourth number. Next question. The term literature may cover. The term literature may cover. Answer is poetry, novel, drama, short story, and literary essay. It in a umbrella term. Answer is third number. Next question. Epics are usually a very long poems that talks about heroes. Answer is fourth number. Next question. Short poems capable of being sung are known as lyrics. First number. 80th number question. Salman Rushdie's writing are usually regarded as a part of. Salman Rushdie writing are post-colonial literature. Answer is fourth number, post-colonial literature. Next question. Drama as literature is mean to be. Drama as literature is mean to be. First number, staged. Answer is first number. Next question. Literary criticism usually works in the domain of. So friends, I did not got the answer of this question. If you know the answer, please comment below. आपको अगर पता है इसका आंसर तो नीचे कमेंट जरूर करें. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 83rd नंबर. द अजंता केव पेंटिंग्स डिपिक्ट मेनली. आंसर इज थर्ड नंबर, सीन्स फ्रॉम द लाइफ एंड प्रीवियस लाइव्स ऑफ बुद्धा एंड नेचुरल सराउंडिंग्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द राजस्थानी स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट comprise mainly. Answer is first number, miniature that strangely did not originated as miniatures. Next question, 85th number. By the time of Natya Shastra was composed, dance and drama were divorced from each other. Answer is first number. Next question. Kathak has been prompted mainly through three gharanas. Answer is first number, Lucknow, Jaipur and Banaras. Three gharanas are Lucknow, Jaipur and Banaras. Next question. The basic swara in Indian music is called. Answer is first number, Saptak. Next question. The novel as a form of developed in the. The novel as a form is developed in the 18th century. Answer is fourth number. Next question. Hindi cinema today revolves around the star system. Answer is third number. Next question. The idea of human security today include the idea of human rights. Answer is fourth number. Next question. The achievement of human security requires a global political culture that is founded on a shared values of human dignity and human rights. Answer is first number. Next question, 92 number. The success of Green Revolution led to self-sufficiency in food grains. Answer is second number, led to self-sufficiency in food grains. Next question. Learning to live together. Answer is constitute an important pillar of education in the Daler's report. Answer is first number. Next question, 94th number. Information and communication technology, ICT, is used. Answer is third number, as an important tool for providing education. Answer is third number. Next question, 95th number. Peace and conflict are. Answer is maybe first number, concept of hyper realist only. अगर आपको लगता है कोई और आंसर होगा तो नीचे कमेंट जरूर करें. Next question, 96 number. In 1989, the statement that what we are witnessing is not just the end of Cold War, but the end of history as such, was made by. So the answer is third number, Francis Fukuyama. Next question. The fundamental duties of every citizen of India to protect and improve the national environment was incorporated as. The answer will be fourth number, Article 51A, subclause G under the 42nd Amendment. Answer is fourth number, Article 51A, subclause G and 42 Amendment, fundamental duties. Next question, 98th number. Under the Kyoto Protocol, industrialized countries except US and Australia agreed to reduce their emissions by 5.2% between 2008 to 2012. Answer is first number. Next question, 99th number. President George Bush Sr. refused to sign the Convention on Biological Diversity at the 1992 Rio Summit. Answer is second number, refused to sign Convention on Biological Diversity at the 1992 Rio Summit. Next, last question, 100th number. After the dissolution of Soviet Union in 1990s, we increasingly talk about. So we increasingly talk about. Answer is third number, a unipolar world order under US hegemony. आंसर इज थर्ड नंबर. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे BSHF 101 9/12/2019 को पूछे गए क्वेश्चंस के सारे आंसर्स. आशा करता हूँ आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को एक लाइक ज़रूर करें और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें. इससे मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलती है आपके लिए ऐसे वीडियो लाने के लिए. FST 1 और BHSF 01 के MCQ सीरीज के प्लेलिस्ट अपलोड कर दी गई है, तो प्लीज़ चैनल को एक बार चेक करें.